If you're suffering with headaches and they seem jaw related because you clench or grind, a lot of people think that it's work and stress and relationships and stuff. But the truth is, if you don't have a problem with your jaw and you don't have a problem with your neck, the same stress doesn't cause the same headaches. Usually it's a contributing factor, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So we found that if you're adjusting the neck where you need it because there are subluxations that are causing extra tension in that area, or you've got posture which has allowed your head to drop forward, problems in the neck, problems in the jaw, correcting problems in the jaw and problems in the neck can help reduce the amount of clenching. A mouth guard can help. It'll protect your teeth, but it won't necessarily stop the grinding. Chiro can help with the neck and the jaw and also reduce the headaches. If you haven't been assessed, maybe it's a good time to go and get a checkup.